Hey guys, I'm back with a quick unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I want to talk about their sunglasses and the sizing because I had an interesting experience happen to me that I had to go to YouTube to try to figure out. So hopefully this can help somebody else. I did buy these from Bloomingdale's and I had them shipped to me because they didn't have them in stock, which is then what created the problem. If you guys have seen these before. They come in really nice packaging. Louis Vuitton sunglasses are made really well. They're known for their good quality. So they come in this hard case that's like, it's not velvet, but it kind of, it's really soft, like a microfiber lining, says Louis Vuitton, and a soft case. I already wore these. This is the tag. So this is what I wanted to talk about. I had these delivered to me, and when I tried them on in store, they fit perfect. But when I got them home, they sat way too high on my face and I hated them and I couldn't figure out why because I loved them in store. Turns out the nose bridge is different. I had the Eastern one sent to me and I'm a Western, I guess my face is more of a Western face. The Eastern ones are more meant for like Asian profiles to fit their face and their nose bridge better. So here's the tag and you see it ends in W. The ones they sent me ended in E, so I actually had to go in store to exchange them because they're sold out online. These are called the My Monogram Square, because of course, me and squared off cat eye sunglasses, or not necessarily cat eye, but I know you guys are going to say, but it has gold hardware, Dawn. I don't care in this case. I love these so much. Look at the detail. They say they have like the little flower right here. And then like the logo with the little flowers here, the little flowers here. I love them and I love the shape and they fit me so good. And then the inside on both sides here, it has like the LV embossed here. And then it says Louis Vuitton. And again, on the other side here, it has the style number with a W. So the W, this is a wider opening here. So that when they sit on your face, they sit lower because I have a higher nose bridge because apparently most Western cultures have like higher nose bridges. But Eastern or the E, this opening is like lower and this whole opening is narrower. So it would cause the sunglasses to sit up higher. And it's mostly for Asian faces. So when you're ordering a pair of sunglasses from Louis Vuitton, pay attention to which ones you get because, I almost couldn't get these in the W because they were sold out. Anyways, this is what they look like on me. Me and my black sunglasses. I like the faded lens and I just feel like these look good on me even with my hair up. They don't look too big because there was another pair that I really liked, but I only liked them with my hair down. And as soon as I put my hair up, they didn't look good on me, but I loved them so much. I wanted them, but I knew that these fit my face better. Look from the side. Yep. So anyways, I love these. I had like a rewards card from Bloomingdale's, so I got a little bit of a discount, which you can't beat that. Anyways, just wanted to talk to you guys about these. I've been told that Louis Vuitton manufactures their own sunglasses, so just holding them, you can tell they're much better quality than some other luxury brands, because I think other luxury brands, forgive me if I'm wrong, I think they outsource their sunglasses, even like Chanel. But Louis makes their own and they're just really, really high quality, thick and substantial. So this is them. They're called the My Monogram Square. And tell me what you guys think. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.